The entire global economy is imploding, and Musk is basically fighting his own private apocalypse. SpaceX has not one, not two, but three consecutive rocket launch failures. We're talking multi-million-dollar explosions. And at the exact same time, Tesla is just bleeding cash and is weeks, literally weeks, away from going bankrupt.
So what does he do? He makes a choice that most people would call completely insane. He takes every last cent of his personal fortune and plows it back into both companies, just to keep the lights on. He was literally sleeping on factory floors, pulling 120-hour work weeks. This wasn't just a business problem for him. It was an all-out war for survival.
And that right there, that just perfectly captures his core trait. His friend and investor Antonio Gracias said this about that time: the harder it gets, the better he gets. You see, for him, it wasn't just about surviving. It was about thriving under a level of pressure that would have absolutely crushed almost anyone else. So, if Musk's story is all about resilience in the face of spectacular failure, our next story is about a completely different kind of strength: the power of your own internal values.